Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is the 52-week challenge, which I do every single Tuesday. So if you do not want to miss the money challenges, make sure you go and subscribe to my channel down below and hit that notification so every time I upload, you will be notified. Now, since today is the 52-week challenge, that means that we are going to be doing another giveaway. So if I choose the right number and if the person has matched me, that means that you will get a $10 Amazon gift card. If you won last week, which we did not have a winner, but if you have won the previous week, that means you're not qualified to win this week. And we have had 2 winners from out of the 5 weeks. Well, this is week 5. So out of the 4 weeks, we have had 2 winners. So congratulations to them. And they are eligible to participate this week. But anyways, I am super excited because there was a lot of comments. We had exactly 36 comments, and it starts from up here and then go all the way down here to the last one. Now, there's multiple people who has guessed the same number. Now, the way I'm going to do it, like I usually do it at the very beginning, is since we have a lot of numbers and everything to go through, if there is a multiple winner, then the first person who comment will be getting the $10 gift card. And like I said, my comments starts from here, down, here, down, and then this is the last number. But like I said, who knows what we're going to get. And if it is below $10, then that means we are going to redraw again and do 2 numbers at the same time. So that is super exciting, kind of nerve-wracking because I could get a $10 and then I'll pull again and I get 52. You know, that's just how life goes, I guess. But anyways, let's go ahead and pull our numbers, which I'm kind of hoping for a big number just so I can knock those out. But let's see what I get. Let's go with this one. Okay, so we have number 15. So $15 is how much we are going to be putting. So let's see if somebody guessed it, which a lot of people guessed high numbers, but I don't think they have been guessing low numbers. Oh, somebody guessed 14. Oh, so close. Nope, there is not a person who guessed number 15, which is super sad, but keep trying, you guys. Every week is different, and who knows, you will probably win next week. But this is how much we are going to be putting in this week, so that is $15. And let's see how much that will get us. That will get us to $123. So that is super exciting. We're on our way to $200. Now let's go ahead and color because I am a colored person and I love coloring. I love coloring everything. All right, so we are going to go to 15, which is purple, pink, yellow, purple. So purple is what we are going to be coloring. So 15. And usually while I color, I usually do like a little life update or anything like that. So while I'm filming this, I'm actually filming this on Monday. I just got home about 2 hours ago from school. I had my first test, my first nursing test. And there was like 55 questions. And you got 1 minute per question. So you only have 55 minutes to complete 55 questions. And I actually made an 80, which I'll take it. I'm super happy about that. And you know what? It's mostly I made the mistake because in nursing school, he does like what may happen or what did happen. Like one word can change the whole answer, which it sucks because, you know, I have to pay more attention to that. And I did mess up a couple of questions that I was like, I should have got that right. I should have, but I didn't. Gotta learn from that and move on. All right, so we colored the 15. And let's get $15 is right here. Get our sinking fund binder. Let's see, and count it. So we should have 100 and $123. Okay. So let's see, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, and 23. So $123 is how much we have. So that's super exciting, like I said. Now, don't get discouraged if your number was not picked. Just keep guessing, because sooner or later, y'all are going to win. I promise you. Pretty much, I guarantee that at least whoever commented today is probably going to at least win one time during this whole year. But anyways, I hope y'all have a great rest of the week. I will see you. Hopefully, I will do a weekly check-in. It's been rough trying to do the weekly check-in because it is on Thursday, and Thursday is my longest day at school. So I don't have time to film on Thursdays, and I try to do it the day before, but I'm usually always studying or doing homework and stuff. So hopefully I can get back into the routine of doing the weekly check-ins, because I really do enjoy that, and I really like, seeing where my money goes and everything. But anyways, like I said, be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification, and then make sure you comment your number for next week. And I would like for y'all to drop a heart emoji, and just so I can see if y'all watch the whole video, because that would be great to see my, my OGs, and I would just want to see who all watches the whole video full, because I just like to know the algorithm and, statistics on that and everything, because I don't know. That's just me. But anyways, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.